What advice can you provide to individuals with no sense of their purpose? What advice can you provide? What do you have to share?
Yeah. Two things. One, go back to the one who made you. Go to your creator and ask him, what were you purposed? What are you purposed to do? What were you designed to do? What are you created for? And he'll answer. Wait for the answer. Oftentimes, and this is the second part of my answer, oftentimes we are looking for our purpose like outside of us, but it's within us. Because when God, before he even fashioned us in our mother's womb, he knew what we would be created for and what he wanted us to do. And so we came here with it. It's not something that we can, we come here and now we got to seek somewhere on the earth for it. No, we came with it. It's just our conditioning along the way, it's suppressed. So that would be my advice. Go to the one who created you. And then two, understand that it's within you and have him and allow him to help you to rediscover. And I say rediscover on purpose because I think when we're young, I think we understand, but because of conditioning over time, it gets lost.
You
So,
know, and you talk about getting lost. There's a level of curiosity that as you grow, you lose.
mhm.
All about curiosity, being curious and wanting to explore and understand. So that's a big thing right there. So we need to recapture that, whatever that is, right?
Yes.